Again, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these magnetic card holders. These are 35 PT Pro magnetic card holders. You get 5 of them in here, and they are sized for size cards up to 35 points of thickness. So that's the difference in each size that you may be looking at. So inside of this box is 5, said for the box, of these magnetic card holders. Even includes a little stand for you. These would be perfect for if you have some high valued cards. So for example, open it up and show you. A lot of other card holders, you slide the card in the top, but not these. These are magnetic. So you just set your card in here nice and neatly, and then boom, it's magnetized, it's closed, you're not sliding your card in and out, damaging your card. Absolutely perfect. And it's easy to open and close. Love that. These are perfect for any card collector or somebody who has some valuable cards that they don't want getting damaged. Thanks again to this company for sending me these 35 PT magnetic card holders. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.